So it's just a very quick video. We've got our demo Defender here now, but we've now just installed the Quicksilver exhaust system on this D300. We've got loads of customers have been asking about obviously how it looks and the actual sound. I've done probably about 400 miles in this now since it's been fitted, and I wouldn't want it without it now. It really does make a difference, just in terms of the sound, but definitely in the way the engine sort of picks up now. I've noticed some improvements on top of the other performance upgrades that we've obviously added to our demo version here. So you're very welcome to come down and have a look, but I'll just go around the back so you can hear the sort of V8-esque sort of rumble here, and these are basically the two tailpipes, but you can hear this sort of rumble, which sounds really nice, to be honest. Makes a massive difference, and I'll just get one of my colleagues just to give it a little bit of a rev so you can just sort of hear the sort of difference in terms of the sound compared to, obviously it certainly doesn't sound like a diesel now. As you can hear, it's got a proper roar to it now. But yes, if you're interested in any of these upgrades on the Defender range, 90, 110, 130 for this Quicksilver exhaust, then please get in touch.